How to correctly link dark and darker account to Steam. The first things first is you won't be able to link it using your Steam account. You really need to launch the game. Now, once you have launched the game, you'll have to find the game menu and then look for account section. Now, once you're on the account section, you'll just have to select linked account. And then once you in the account management section, you will see the option to log into your account. Now, you'll just have to click that option to begin the process of linking your account. Now, once you have done the process of linking your account, you'll now then choose the platform, which is going to be the dark and darker linking account. Now, once everything is set up, you will now then receive a notification from the email address that you have registered with your Steam account to confirm that linking your dark and darker account was successfully linked to your Steam account. Now, there are some instances that that option is not available for everyone. Now, all you have to do is just go to the official site for Dark and Darker account and then go just directly to customer support for you to be able to generate a ticket and then just input there that I am having an issues on linking my Dark and Darker account to Steam. And the customer support will be the ones to rectify that for you. And of course, you'll just have to check your email address that is currently linked to your Steam account for you to be able to confirm if the linking is successful. So that's it. That's how you correctly link your Dark and Darker account to Steam.